MATLAB is just not a simulation tool. It is a powerful tool that encourages the researchers, academicians to bring their ideas into reality. The MATLAB finds its extensive usage into core academics of all the engineering disciplines, which includes aerospace, automobile, computer science, electronics and communication, and all other mechanical engineering allied branches. So MATLAB is not about only academics. It is also involved into the advanced level of research. So this software offers a wide variety of libraries which can help in all the engineering domains to come up with advanced research. I think that MATLAB is something which needs to be incorporated into core academics so that the research in all the engineering fields should flourish. DesignTech expert team regularly delivers faculty development workshops for academicians and researchers regarding MATLAB software and the core concepts which can be used for their practical knowledge and skill set. DesignTech team is fully equipped with all the core concepts so that the academicians or researchers are benefited with that knowledge.
I have been using MATLAB from last 15 years. It is an integral part of our teaching learning process and advanced research. MATLAB provides us a very easy to use and feature rich interface that is very useful for the BE, PG students as well as the advanced research. The beauty of MATLAB is its functions and toolboxes. The functions and toolboxes are regularly updated with the launch of advanced technologies, and so that our researchers are enabled so that they can use the advanced tools, functions in their research. So with the help of this, they are able to lead and innovate in their fields. Even I use the MATLAB advanced tools in my ME as well as PhD research work. Particularly saying, I have used the 5G toolbox of MATLAB during my research, and it provided all the required functions to me, and it enabled me to progress in my field. So with the help of 5G toolbox, I was able to complete my research work in time. So talking about the impact on students, whenever the students join an institute, so MATLAB helps the student to just understand the basic simulations, to realize how these mathematical functions look like. So it provides a very basic foundation to the students. As the student progresses, it provides the opportunities to learn, to analyze, to innovate. So it is an integral part. That's why I said it is an integral part. Right from the very beginning till the PhD or advanced research postdoctorate, MATLAB is an essential part. Like DesignTech, that is associated with MATLAB. So they are very helpful to sort out all the issues, whether they are technical issues, whether they are installation issues, any sort of issue, they are very ready to help, and those are sorted out within the given timeline. So we are very thankful to the DesignTech team as well for supporting us continuously, as well as the other MATLAB resource persons that help us time to time. Whenever some new things are launched, they give us the knowledge transfer, they conduct the technical sessions so that we are readily updated and equipped with the latest trends and technologies. So if I talk about the applications of MATLAB, so there are a lot many things where the students already use the MATLAB and we are using. If I talk about all signal processing subjects like signal and system, digital signal processing, image processing, so at the very first stage, students do use these toolboxes to learn to clear the basic concepts. If I talk about my PG students, then they use the same tools, image processing tools, wireless sensor networks tools, 5G communication toolboxes to pursue their research work. So at the ME level, most of our students use the MATLAB and they have published their papers and acknowledged the MATLAB as well.
MATLAB is a powerful simulation as well as innovative tool for engineers. This already is known all of us. And here our students are working on numerous projects, numerous research and development into Industry 4, thermal engineering concepts, then designing of different type of robot manipulator, walkthroughs, and number of other technologies are based on this simulation based MATLAB. Here our students are working on various projects and they have won few hackathons, and they are into the various construction of solar devices. Then the battery cooling mechanisms have been simulated through this software. In our Department of Mechanical Engineering, I am proud to say that we are conducting numerous workshops, and of course the experts through DesignTech and other the recommended resources have been facilitating our students towards the new learning, towards advancement of computational challenges what students are having. So this has proven to be an excellent tool for us, and Chandigarh University is providing a good platform of learning to achieve great the research outcomes in form of various research papers, patents, and number of other activities.
My experience with the MATLAB, I'm using MATLAB since 2008. I'm using this software for my research work. I've already applied the various tools of MATLAB for image processing. It's for face recognition, ear recognition, thumb impression. My latest research in this area is for the ear recognition that I have done along with my PhD scholar. I found MATLAB quite suitable for various applications. Like it's given the flexibility to use the code, and the university is carrying a MATLAB bundle which help us to use it online, and we got a support from MATLAB at a 24-hour support where the MATLAB is available. We can get the help as per our requirement. MathWorks and DesignTech are helping us in all the way. They are organizing various webinars, free webinars and online workshops, and on demand they send their professional people here for giving a special expertise lecture to our students.
MATLAB is a powerful software by MathWorks. It has different suites like avionics, aircraft and electronics. But for my engineering, I have used MATLAB second version, that is Simulink. Simulink has different libraries, but what I have used is aircraft library, which has been helped me to plot this airfoil. Apart from this, I have also an interest in mathematics, so I have also generated some sine waves with different frequencies and amplitudes. And since we also have a subject for avionics, so we can also have aircraft indicators, airspeed indicators, vertical speed indicators, and we can project it in this software and get its data in the real time.